In this video, we will show you how to add a payment gateway on the WooCommerce website. If you guys want to get started with WooCommerce, you can use the links down in the description. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to Plugins and click Add New. Search for the specific payment gateway plugin you want, like Stripe, PayPal, or Payoneer. Now install and activate the plugin. Go to WooCommerce settings and then click on Payments. Enable the payment gateway you installed like Stripe or PayPal. Set up the necessary details such as API keys or account credentials. Now customize the title and description for the payment method. Next, add a product to your cart and proceed to checkout. Use test card numbers provided by the payment gateway to simulate transactions. After that, ensure everything works correctly. Once testing is successful, switch to live mode by using actual API keys or credentials. Your customers can now securely make payments on your WooCommerce site. So that's how to add payment gateway in WooCommerce website. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with WooCommerce. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.